The Johnson family had always dreamt of visiting the enchanting Isle of Skye, a Scottish island known for its beautiful mountains and stories of fairies and magic. After saving up money for many years, they finally went on their long-awaited holiday. As they drove along the winding roads that went through the Scottish Highlands, they saw the amazing Cuillin Mountains, which looked like giant teeth sticking up into the bright blue sky. The air was filled with a special energy that made the family feel excited and happy. Their first stop was Dunvegan Castle, an old castle with many rooms and towers. They imagined all the battles and Highland chieftains that had lived there long ago. Next, they went to the fairy pools, which are a series of waterfalls in a green valley. The water was so clear that you could see the bottom, and it was so cold that it was fun to splash around in. As the sun started to go down, making long shadows across the island's beautiful landscapes, the Johnsons went to Loch Corruisk, a calm lake surrounded by tall mountains. It was so quiet that you could only hear the water lapping against the shore and the occasional bird singing. The family thought about all the things they had done together and how much they loved each other. The Isle of Skye had not only amazed them, but had also made them feel stronger and more determined. The island's beautiful mountains were like the challenges they faced in life, and the calm moments reminded them that they could overcome any obstacle. When they left the island, the Johnsons felt like they had learned something new about themselves and their family. Their holiday had been more than just a trip to a beautiful place, it had been a journey of self-discovery.